Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a super helpful topic, how to reset your Google password on an Android device, especially if you've forgotten it. We all know how crucial our Google accounts are, right? They keep us connected to emails, photos, documents, and so much more. Let's get started. First grab your Android device and follow along. Open any browser on your device and go to the Google Account Recovery page. You can simply type Google Account Recovery in your search bar or use the URL. Now you'll need to enter the email address or phone number associated with your Google account. After you've entered it, hit next. Google will ask you for the last password you remember. If you don't remember any, click on try another way until you find an option that works for you. You might be asked to confirm a text message sent to a registered phone number or answer a security question. If you choose to receive a verification code, Google will send it to the phone number or recovery email linked to your account. Enter this code in the provided field to proceed. Once you've verified your identity, you will prompt it to enter a new password. Make sure it's strong and secure. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After you set your new password, select Change Password to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Google password. Remember, it's a good idea to review your account recovery options regularly to make sure you can always regain access to your Google account when needed.